Hello students, how are you? I'm fine. I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discussing physics class 12 electric charges and field chapter, and similarly I hear electric field due to uniform charged infinite line. So actually previous videos we are discussed electric field strength due to rod, semicircular ring, and similarly ring at the P point, and similarly disk also discussed. This is the electric field due to uniform charged infinite line. Students, shall we start today class? Okay, keep watch you everyone. So see here, first electric field strength due to a uniformly charged infinite line. This is our main heading. So heading, before that we are writing here one diagram. See here, this is the infinite line. Think like that. This is the infinite line. This infinite line, let us consider A to B point. Okay, we have to derive this is the total electric field at the P point. See here, this is the P point. Let us consider this one at P point. So this distance is P point to X distance is there. Clear now students up to this point, and after that, so directly electric field finding is infinite line is not possible. So we considering here one small element. Okay, this is the small element. This is the small element of the electric field, like that. This is the dq, actually total charge q and total length L, and but here total distance relation here, okay, x distance, but actually we are taking two angles here. This is the alpha and this is the and beta. This angle is beta, this is the alpha, this is angle theta. Okay, small element of the angle is theta. Actually total wire is, let us take y value. So what happened here, this is the total, the small element of the distance is dy and charge is small element charge dq, means this is the dq charge. Clear now students up to this point? This is diagram. Oh, actually here x and y is there, this is also y, and this is the hypotenuse is formula, this is theta, means this is the root over x square plus y square. Okay, see similarly here, so small part of the element electric field is dE equal to K into dq by r square. Actually electric field definition, E is equals to kq by r square. Here dq means here writing here small element of the charge. Very simple, don't confuse this one. Total charge is q, small element of the charge is q, dq. So here dq I wrote here, k means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This point also clear. And similarly here this is r square, but r square means, let us take here one point is this distance is r, means we are writing r square 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, but here distance is at P point, this is the P point, this is the origin point. At P point to distance is root over x square plus y square. So root over x square plus y square whole square. So square root cancel here, d into k into dq by x square plus y square. This part is clear, very clear students. But here dq value charge is equals to lambda into dy. dq is equals to lambda into dy, means here linear charge density lambda is equals to dq by dy only. Okay, next this point is clear. Next to vector form of electric field xy axis. See here, x axis and y axis electric fields. This is the at the P point due to the small element of the electric field dE, and horizontal component is dA cos theta. Okay, this is dA, this is theta means dA cos theta, and similarly this is the dA sin theta. Here also some angle is related to, we get here dA cos theta, and this is the dA sin theta, but not cancel both, are they are actually different angles are there, so that's why I'm not cancelling both things. So this is dA sin theta, this is dA sin theta, and this is the horizontal component dA cos theta. So clear na student up to this point? Now electric field, see here, dE equal to dA bar equal to x and y, and dA x cos theta I cap, and dA sin theta j cap. Okay, vector form of the electric field, this is the d cos theta, this is y, x and y. So next we know already derived here cos theta and sin theta values we don't know. So first here triangle OPP dash equal to here OP, here P dash means here P dash means what happens here, cos theta equal to adjacent sides x by hypotenuse root over x square plus y square. Up to this point clear na student? So here dx cos theta value, so dx value also we know. What is the dx value here related? K into dq by x square plus y square. Cos theta value, cos theta means here x by root over x square plus y square. Don't worry students, very simple things I am explaining, easy language and easy explanation, this one everything. And so next dy here k into dq by root x square plus y square, but here sin theta is there, so sin theta value, see here sin theta equal to y by root over x square plus y square. Y here y value, so opposite sides by hypotenuse, that's why I am sin theta value writing. So y by root over x square plus y square into here y by sin theta value root over x square plus y square into j cap. Up to this point clear na students? You want this one, pause and video and write everything, after that continue watch everything. So first thing, you write all things what are I am writing here in the board, so copy paste everything. Okay, up to this point clear. Next steps, diagram also clear. Okay. Next here what happens here? So this is the dE value. So from this equation, from one integrating both sides. So suppose this is integration value, d means here e only, and k into dq value, see here k into x dq by, and this is x into root x, so x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, and I cap. Similarly here ky by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2, and this thing is y is there, and dq j cap. This is the electric field integrating both sides, like that integration, both sides integrations. Clear na student up to this point? So after that what happens here? So directly it's not possible to substitute integration. So this is the substitution method of the equation. So let us consider here x square plus y square is equals to t square. Okay, and here what happened? No. Actually here we will take here triangle OP P dash tan theta equal to y by x. Okay, tan theta is equals to y by x. So y is equals to x tan theta. So next here differentiating both sides, so dy equal to here x differentiation like dy x into tan theta differentiation secant square theta d theta. Okay, x secant square theta d theta. So we have to substitute in this equation. So next what happens, E equal to, very simple here, don't confuse, kx into d cube by here x square plus y square. So x square, y value x tan theta, x square tan square theta whole power 3 by 2 I cap, and plus k into y into d cube by, this is also x square plus x square tan square theta, and second thing is here what happened, whole power 3 by 2 j cap. So it's coming very lengthy equation, so no problem. So after that what happens here, so but what happens here, E equal to integration k into x. So this is the dq value. See here, dq is equals to lambda into dy. Okay, lambda into dy. So substituting here dq value, replace lambda into dy. Up to this point clear, and dy value we know how much, x secant square theta d theta. So dy value replace, we are writing here x secant square theta and d theta. Okay, by this value is here x square common thing here. So x square whole power 3 by 2, here 1 plus tan square theta means here secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. So this point is, first thing is clear, I cap. So angles are here lower value, upper value, lower value, so means here angles relation alpha and beta. Okay, next plus here next similarly k into y into here dq value means here same like that, here dy value lambda into dy. So lambda into dy means here same like that, x into secant square theta d theta by, so this is also same like that, x square whole power 3 by 2 and here secant square whole power 3 by 2 secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. So this is also integration value alpha 2 and beta. Means here one thing is important, actually here y is there, so y is replaced, we are writing x tan theta. So substitution method here, y value, this y value I am writing here, how much here, see here x tan theta into x tan theta. Okay, clear now students, so this is x square relation will come answer. So this point is clear students, up to this point clear. After that don't neglect this video, very important, infinite line electric field due to all points, what happened electric field everything. So this is the, at the end of the part is clear, see here what happened, proper way is actually, so k lambda and here square, this square cancel, and this square cancel, this square cancel, this square cancel. So remaining thing is, see here what happened here, E equal to, so integration alpha to beta, and here constant values will write, first thing here k lambda x into x square by, and here clear by x cube, this x cube is there, and integration secant square theta d theta by, and secant cube theta is clear up to I cap, and similarly at j cap, so k lambda into x square by, and here x cube, so integration secant square theta d theta into tan theta by, secant cube theta. Correct, my students? After that, what happened? Very simple, no problem, don't worry, everything is clear. X and x here, one x is there, is k lambda by x is clear, and similarly here alpha 2 and beta limits alpha 2 and beta limits here secant square secant cube, so means 1 by secant theta is there, means here integration cos theta d theta and alpha to beta. Okay, next point is here what happens, see clearly. So k lambda by x, so integration, this is secant cube here tan theta 1 by cos t 1 by secant, means here tan theta value sin theta by cos theta into 1 by secant theta means cos theta, so cos theta cancel, so integration alpha to beta d theta, so integration sin theta, what happens, see here E equal to k lambda by x, integration cos theta means sin theta, so sin theta alpha to beta and plus k lambda by x, so sin theta minus cos theta alpha to beta. See here clearly, very important video, very important, very useful video this far, and I'm not individually doing, directly one step x-axis and y-axis electric field finding. Some faculties are saying like first they are discussing the x-axis of the electric field, after that y-axis of the electric field, but here E equal to k lambda by x and here sin theta means here sin beta, first upper value minus lower value, so sin alpha, and similarly here k lambda by x here minus of cos beta minus of minus cos alpha, this is the cos alpha, means here finally, so E equal to, this is the x-axis k lambda by x and here sin beta and minus sin alpha, and here play k lambda by x here, writing minus of minus plus here cos alpha minus cos beta. So this is the final equation x and y axis of the electric field infinite line. Okay, this very important equation, this is very important, number of the numericals we are using this formula, so very useful, and write and copy paste everything. So let's see here, first here what happens, suppose angles are changed, negative axis of the angle is here minus alpha here, next to beta is positive, sign conversions, what happens here, first thing is sin alpha, don't worry, very useful video. So E of x comma y equal to here sign conversions, so alpha is negative, beta is equals to positive. See here, this equation we are substituting, this is the Ex and this is Ey, here I cap and j cap, see I cap and j cap. Similarly here also E x comma y, k lambda by x means sin beta, sin of beta is positive only, and minus sin of minus alpha means negative angle, okay, this is the I cap, plus k lambda by x, here also cos minus alpha and minus cos beta. So E of x comma y, so k lambda by x, so sin minus of minus plus, so sin alpha, sin of minus theta means sin theta, minus sin theta, minus of minus plus here minus sin alpha plus sin beta, and second one here k lambda by x, so cos alpha minus cos beta, there is no change, is the cos y axis of the equation. This is the final equation of the actually infinite line of the equation, means here see here angle is alpha, minus alpha here plus is beta, so this is important formula, and this is the I cap and this is the j cap. So for example angle is, second case angles are both are equal, so what happen, alpha is equals to beta related, we get some equation. See that one also I will tell here finally. This equation is important. Suppose you are substituting alpha and beta are both are same, means case 2. So see here, this equation clear na student? Do you want this one, pause and write everything, all thing equations, and after that see here what happened here. K lambda alpha equal to beta, and this same equation, so it will come to k lambda by x sine alpha. I am talking about case 2. This is the case 2, this is case 1, and similarly here plus second one, this is 0. Why? Alpha is equals to beta means the same angle will come. So finally whenever the alpha is equals to beta, same means 2 lambda k by 2 lambda k by x into sine alpha. This is important E value when alpha is equals to beta related. I hope understood students. Very lengthy video, but don't feel boring. So if you feel bore means you doesn't get anything matter. So please watch all videos. If you are solving one by one hard working means you get some good ideas, and after that you are substituting JEE or NEET numerical related questions. So I hope understood all things. Thank you very much. All the best students.